Welcome to day 6 of our African guitar lesson. If you are new here in this my YouTube channel, kindly go back and watch recent days of the lesson. We're in 10 days challenge of African guitar lessons. So cameraman, come close, come close, come close, come close. So what we're learning, what we'll be learning in this video is like this. What I played earlier is like this, okay? On the key of D. This is the key of D here. This is your 1, this is your 5, this is your 4, this is your 5, okay? 1, 5, 4, 5, okay? That's the progression. Are we there? Now, what I played here is like this. Are we together? So let me break it for you guys down step by step, okay? Now the first phrase I play in this video is like this. Look at it. Here. So this is your 5 here, 1 and your 3, okay? 5, 1, 3. It's like this. Okay? That's your first phrase. That's the first part that I played in this video, okay? So now the second phrase is like this. Are we there? Then the second part is like this. Okay? The second part is like this. It is your 6, 1, 4. Okay? 6, 1, 4. Okay? Okay? Then your 5. Your 5 is like this. Okay? Which is okay? Okay? This is your so which is like this. You play like this. Like this. That's the simple way of playing it, okay? Like this. Your 5, 1, 3. 5, 1, 3. That's the first one. That's 5, 1, 3. Then the second phrase is like this. It's your 6, 1, 4. 6, 1, 4. Which is La, Do, Fa. Okay? Okay? Then your 5 is like this. Which is your So, Ti, Re. Which is So, Ti, Re. Okay? So that's the first part I play in this video, okay? So let's go to the second part. The second part is like this, okay? The second part is like this. Is on that same progression, okay? It's on that same progression. 1, 5, 4, 5, okay? So the second part is like this. So it's like this. Look at it. Which is your 5, 1, 5, 1, okay? So, do, so, do, so. Okay, that's the first phrase I play in this video. That's the first part. So, do, so. Okay, that's the first part. So, do, so, which is your 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Okay, then your 5. Okay, that's the first part. Then the second part in this video is like this. Then, that's the first part. Then the second part is like this. Okay, fa mi re do, which is your 5, which is which is your 4 3 4 3 2. Okay, 4 3 2. Okay, 4 3 2 1. Okay, 4 3 2 1. Okay, fa mi re do. Okay, so let's combine the first phrase and the second phrase. Okay, the first phrase is like this. So the first and second phrase is like this, okay? Okay, that's the first and second phrase, okay? Now, okay? So then the third phrase here is like this. That's your four chord, okay? That's your number four chord here, which is la do so fa mi re do, okay? Then the third phrase here is like this, la do so fa mi re do, which is your 6-1, 6-1, 6-1. Then 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? So if you combine the three phrases together, you get it like this, okay? Now, okay, like this, okay? That's the second part in this video, okay? So let's combine the first part and the second part together. Let us play it slowly, 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 so that you guys will understand, okay? Now, it's like this. The first part is like this. So the second part is like this. So let's go slowly. Let us reduce the speed, okay? Let's reduce the speed. The first part is like this. Okay? Then the second part is like this. Okay? So remember, the chord progression is like this, which is your 1, your 5, your 4, your 5, okay? Which is your D, okay? This is your D, then this is your A, okay? Then this is your G, then this is your A, okay? That's the progressions. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really learn from this video, if you really enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I uploaded video, you will be notified. See you guys 7 guitar lessons, okay? Thanks for watching.